Hey everyone, it is Jessica Licona from the Licona Team, and I love to talk about all the things I've learned over these 20 years of selling real estate and being an investor owner. And with that being said, with winter upon us, it is an extremely important time to get your HVAC service. So I strongly recommend twice a year, once before we start using our AC and once before the winter hits and you start using your furnace, to keep a contract with a local HVAC company and have them maintain and do a maintenance checkup of your complete HVAC system. If you would like any contacts, we're always happy to connect you with folks that we use personally and trust, and they're happy to dive in and help you. One of the biggest calls we tend to see in our investment properties and across all of our inspection reports is, have you had an HVAC maintained? And then a lot of times they just need to blow out a line to clear it out, and it will stop tripping the system and causing you not to have heat right around 4th of July at about 2 a.m. How about them apples? So reach out to us if you need any of those contacts. Be well, take care.